unfortunately it's still raining today, so we've decided to go with the taxi instead of the bus, because there are buses going here, but it's like 3-hour drive and we don't want to stand in this rain for 20 minutes with our backpack. So we take the taxi for like 50 euro total, so it's a bit expensive, but it's worth it with this rain. Let's go. So we arrived in our new hotel room and it only costed 84 euros for 2 nights, which is really cheap. And even here we got a TV for that price. This is our view. Good morning! Hello! It's a little bit rainy today. And let's go to the bathroom.
Watch out, it's wet.
Is it wet?
Really
Nah,
wet.
then it's clean. We even got 2 different flip-flops. Oh, it's really wet actually. Ah, it looks nice. Big shower head. Also the Wi-Fi speeds are really good. 145 upload. That's perfect for the YouTube videos. And I can edit it right here on this beautiful chair with a mirror. And I can upload the videos for you guys, so subscribe. Also these plugs work perfectly for the European plug. Also I'm very happy that we are not leaving with the boat this day, because with this weather you do not want to sit on a boat in the Philippines. We will leave here in 2 days. We are located on the 2nd floor here, and now we are going to get some lunch and we will go to the mall or something. They're making a fire here. You can see the ocean over there.
Oh yeah.
Right, vamos. There's a small park over here and there's the bigger mall. Even 7-Eleven and some food. We're going to Twist right now because there's nice ice cream and coffee and waffles, stuff like that. And then we will swap our money there. We both got a lemonade. Smooth lemon flavor. And also got 2 grilled chickens, and this one is only 150, and at the last hotel it was 1 for 400, so now we got 2 for even cheaper than 1 at the hotel. It's crazy, right? It looks really good. And I've got a ice cream with butterscotch, caramel syrup and Oreo.
I have one frozen yogurt with crushed biscuit, mango syrup, and with, I think, sweet coconut.
Ooh. Enjoy.
Thank you.
I'm happy it's a little bit dry right now, and we're going to the bigger mall there, and the food was really great and very cheap. And even here is a McDonald's, of course. And there are no tourists at all here. It's really chill. There are so good cakes here. Oh my god, it is really nice. This is a store in the mall. Also, everyone is staring at us because we are the only tourists here. Like, look, everyone is looking. It's really funny. Also, when you go grocery shopping, they will pack everything up for you in a bag. And there's also very good security, as you can see, which is really great. It's so different than the Netherlands. We entered this market, and it's really big indoors. You wouldn't expect that. Look at the floor, it's different. That's really funny. But it's very cheap. This is like 80 euros, and maybe it's second hand.
I think it's a thrift store.
Thrift store, yeah, that's possible. T-shirt also 50 pesos. This is really cheap, but it looks really good. We are going to eat at this Jollibee place, and it is only opened for 1 week or something, since 1 week, so it's really new. We went for the spaghetti with some meat and some nuggets. Looks good. And iced coffee. The food was really good, especially the meat. I really liked it. It had a nice sauce over it. It was really good. Oh, gotta walk quick. We just met the real owner of this hotel, and she asked my last name, and she wanted to pronounce it, but it was really hard for her. But she was like, "You're lucky you arrived early today, because we are fully full now."
Yeah, but we booked a long time ago.
Yeah, but it sounded like if we arrived like right now, we would have been stuck or something.
Yeah, something like that.
And there are also a lot of mattresses here. Oh. Like, what is going on? There are too many people, I think. Whoa guys, I'm not sure if you can see this, but It is like 11 p.m. right now and it is raining so hard. We just watched a movie and now I hear the storm. It's going crazy. It's going really hard. Whoa. But tomorrow will be a lot better weather. At least I hope so, because this is not fun.